Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reset the password of your Yubo account or how to recover your old Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to have a Yubo app to simply reset your password, which you can easily get in App Store, Play Store. So you can see on my screen that I already do have a Yubo app, so I'm simply going to tap on it. And I'm on the very first page of a Yubo app with the options of sign up or log in. So first of all, I'm going to tap on login since I'm going to recover the old account that we do already have. So I'm going to tap on login. So you can see that if you do already know your username and password, you can simply keep on it. But since I have forgotten my password and want to recover it, I'm going to tap on forgot your password. Just above log in with phone number. With forgot your password, first of all, you need to keep your phone number that you'd used before creating this account and then tap on this yellow background floating icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you will get a code on your phone number, guys. Just wait for it. Okay, I do have a code and it has been inserted already. And now you can see that if I want to change my password, I am going to keep my very new password, which is going to fulfill all of the requirements as asked by the Yubo itself. Then I'm going to confirm the same password again. And you can see after the confirmation, I'm going to tap on this yellow floating icon on the bottom right corner again. It's being loaded, you can see, guys. And simply okay, I have just reset the password, guys, and I'm on my home page again. So this is how you recover your old Yubo account or reset the password of your old Yubo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.